welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be upgrading, evolving Butterfly Cat into Fishman Cat. I know it's been a while. It's been a year since I made my first Battle Cats video, but I made some progress. Like, check this out. I made some progress. I got this. I got all these. Not the best, but I don't mind. I was doing a few zombie outbreaks, and man, I was having some fun. And I was also playing some Stories of Legend. So that's fun. So today we're gonna be evolving Butterfly Cat. This is gonna be my first evolution. So we're gonna try it out, and I'm actually pretty excited. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Fishman Cat. Look at this guy. This guy looks awesome. Fishman Cat. I want to get some cats today. So I want to try them out. I want to test them out. Just playing zombie stages. I got some ass loadouts. Let's see what I can do with this guy. He has the same stuff as before. Let's just put him in here for now. My first true form. So let's check this out. Is he good? I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see. I got my ass loadout. Oh, hi! Let's put you out. Let's see how good you are. Nice, bro. It's actually not that bad. Just gotta put a few meat shields in. It'll be fine. Man, those owls draw money. Aw, shit. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, man? I didn't know you were gonna pay a visit. Thanks a lot, Fishy, but you're not the best. Marvin Kudo. Even though I lost, I'm not mad. I just need a level of fish, man. Oh, wow. I didn't know I'd do that much to some dude. I didn't know I'll do that much to Bun Bun. Is there any... Ah, oh shit, it's you. Fuck you. We don't like Bun. I don't like this one. I hate this one. This one's kind of nice, not gonna lie. I'm trying with the face. So I can see that this fish man is good with owls. And for some reason, it's kind of hard for me to kill an owl. Oh, duh, look at this loadout. A fishman won't hurt to put out. Boom. Yeah, fishman. Get that boy. Get him. Get him, fishy. This Fishman is pretty cool. These owls don't stand a chance. Plenty owls, so let's just put you out. Another fishy won't hurt. What should I evolve next, guys? Comment down below. Please tell me. Because I'll be grinding for cat fruit. I'll do this thing. Come out here, fishy. Wow! 2 fishies. Wow. So much fish. There's not enough fish. Fishy now. Evil on you. Fishman out. Oh, this Fishman's awesome. Oh, I can't be talking to my dumbass. All I do is just sit in my room all day. Let's go. Thank you, Fishman. Thanks for wow, some fish. Oh. Fish. Get green cat fruit. I barely have any cat fruit now since I wasted on Fishman, but I'm not mad. Let's see what we got here. Is there any floating enemies I can use fishy with? The owls are pretty obvious, but the owls aren't too hard. Just a dog. Moths or moths? What are they called? Moths, right? I think they're called moths. Let's go find you, moth. Moth. Ah! JK Bun Bun. No one likes you. No one will ever. Yeah. I oughta smack you, boy. What's up, duck? Tell me what should I evolve next, guys? Leave a comment down below and I'll do it. Maybe, I'm not sure. I cannot promise. What's up, old man? Or owl. Oh, come on, you Corey. Okay. I hate the cyclone. Oh yeah, and I just met you too. When have I ever saw this guy? I did meet the I am face, the alien face, in the Great Abyss. But I don't feel like doing anything. Oh my god, bro! I already lost my cat. I already lost my energy. And no shit. But I'm not going to end the video just yet. I'm going to see what I can do around here. I really want this one. This one's his true form. Yeah, I can get it. Maybe. Oh, I forgot you're good too. Very good. Sadako Cat becomes. What does he become again? Let me see. What's his true form again? Octopus. Okay. Cat. Sure, I can get that. I can get some alien cat food. I don't mind. What was it? The moth alien? Where are the aliens? There you are. Moth? I think I can kill one. I mean, they're not the strongest thing ever. Not the hardest thing, but also not the weakest. Jeez, it's the same enemies from Rodeo King, I think. And yeah, I suck ass. Yeah, but I will beat this level right here. I mean, a Bun Bun. I guess a Bun Bun won't hurt. Me probably. I just need to stack up meat shields and some other shit. Item capsules. I'll probably draw something from here. I mean, they got cat fruit. That's a good thing. I don't mind getting some cat fruit here. I don't mind getting some cat fruit. I mean, it is the only thing to evolve the cats. Yeah. Don't you become... Yeah, you become doctor. Oh, I want these two to their true form. These are the ones I want. I want Maximum the Fighter and Dread Pirate Cali. These are the main two I want for the Reds. Yeah, I want you two. Oh, and you. You're good against Angel. That's good. I'm gonna Sifu be doing you too. There's so many cats I want. Also this guy. But for now, all we have is this guy as our true form. Well, I do have more. Come on now. I think I only have 3 cats to their true form. Almost got Sexy over here to his true form. Need one more. Just need one more draw and get another gross cat. Boom, we get the muscular legs cat, right? Is that what it's called? What does he become again? Jamira? This guy becomes Island Cat. I don't know what he becomes. I know you become Lion. I know you become Mohawk and Eraser. But for Red, these are the ones I want. Cupid. Is he good? Guys, what should I evolve next? Tell me. Tell me, and I'll see if I can evolve it. Alright, I think this is gonna be it for this video, so goodbye. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.